The levels of communication. Let's explore the levels of communication. The levels of communication are about who you are communicating with and ranges from an individual to the whole world. The first level is intrapersonal. At the intrapersonal level, communication is when a person interacts with oneself through self-talk or thinking. Let's practice this level of communication. Think about a message of motivation or encouragement that you tell yourself to help through difficult times. What thoughts help you overcome? What is the message that you tell yourself? The second level is interpersonal. At the interpersonal level, communication is between two people where there is a one-to-one interaction. Let's practice this level of communication. Think about the message of encouragement you told yourself. Now imagine that you had to communicate the same message that you told yourself with another person. How would you change your message for the other person? What would the message be? The third level is small group. At the small group level, communication is with 3 or more people where interaction between different individuals and/or groups takes place. Let's practice this level of communication. Think again about the message of encouragement you told yourself. If you had to communicate your message of encouragement with a group of people, how would you change your message for the group? What would the message be? The next level is public. At the public level, communication is with a large group of people or audience that is typically presented. Let's practice the public level of communication. If you had to share your motivational message publicly, how would you adjust that message for the public? What would the message be? The last level is mass. At the mass level, communication is with all peoples or mass audience that is mediated. Let's practice with mass communication. Think back to the motivational message you told yourself. Now imagine you had to share your message to the mass audience. How would you tailor your message to communicate with the whole world? What would the message be now? Now you have an understanding of the levels of communication. It is important to keep them in mind, as determining who you are communicating with will help you convey the appropriate message for each level.